Hi. Uh, it's interesting to see a few people still staying back after that amazing session. But I was just hoping that people understood that the questions that were being asked were actually fueling what I'm going to discuss right now. I think a lot of people would be interested in knowing what we are planning to do. So the idea is that over a period of time, performance marketing is now moving slowly into the duopoly ecosystem of Google and Meta, and a lot of advertisers don't realize as to that there is an alternate ecosystem that can help them deliver more customers at a lower customer acquisition cost, or CAC, as what a lot of people talk about. Interestingly, over a period of time, advertisers have channeled their spends into an ecosystem that is working counterintuitively for them. It keeps on increasing its cost and keeps on increasing the customer acquisition cost for its advertisers. And we are the ones to blame for it. There are ecosystems that help deliver uh, lower CAC outside of Google and Meta. Having said that, we are Indixital. This is India's first performance marketing marketplace. The reason why we are building this product is to help advertisers get lower customer acquisition cost. And we are the only platform that works agnostic of an agency, publisher, or advertiser. We are not a network. We help advertisers come onto our platform via their agency or directly and work closely with publishers in a very transparent manner. The way we do it, this product helps advertisers run self-serve or managed services. We help do the entire tracking, attribution, uh, uh, management of the entire campaign on the platform. Has built-in fraud detection, you can come, set up your campaign, run it for few weeks, few months, few years, and get all the services that you need to run an effective performance marketing campaign, including proof of execution or billing management and payment ecosystem. For the publisher, this platform allows you to play into a field which is more you get more opportunities to monetize your inventory, you get more people to talk to, and get more advertisers in your ecosystem. And of course, all the other things, including tracking attribution, which typically is a tool that either the publisher invests or the advertiser invests, and get insights into their traffic, their audience, to run better, cost-effective performance marketing campaigns. Now, the best part is that this tool comes at almost zero cost. Neither the advertiser, nor the agency, nor the publisher ends up paying for tracking, attribution, and fraud detection. That's the beauty of this product. One of the reasons why we are building this product is to create the first UPI for performance marketing, or the first ONDC for performance marketing, enabling advertisers and publishers to talk to each other completely transparently. Now, the reason why we are here is there was discussion happening before I started the session, was all about how do advertisers get better CAC, or how do publishers make more money. I think there is an opportunity sitting over here, which is content to commerce. And we believe that this opportunity is very large. We can help advertisers aggregate their long format content, or video format, or image, or any offer-based content to help them reach out to more and more audiences. This is the data that, anybody, if you will look at India internet space, right now 752 million users on a monthly basis or annually by data statistics. We currently are talking to almost about 300 million users across 2,400 websites, and all of them are available on performance matrices. So you can set up your KPIs, create a pricing model, and these inventories are available for you to get your customers at a lower CAC. How do we do it? Now, one of the biggest things that we've noticed was that while there are offers, there are deals, there are discounts, advertisement, there is branded content, there is influencer content being created, it only is restricted to certain few distribution points, right? You will either have a PR agency setting up the content piece for you, or you will have an influencer marketing company which will be doing your content integrations into the Meta or the Instagram ecosystems. While the same content can also be reused across all the platforms that we are integrating with, which is web app, video, content ecosystem, email, or even push notification. How are we doing it in terms of the publisher ecosystem? We are using something what we call as web apps. We are also creating user profiles for people who are visiting these websites and push content on that. We are also offering our own offer site, which we are creating for your branded content to reach out to those consumers who are coming onto our site. We are talking about triggers and app triggers, which basically are, let's say, imagine a user who's seen a content for the best retinol, right, serum to be applied on your face. If somebody's completed that content piece, is there something that you can offer to that user for you to initiate an intent sale, right? So that's something that we are creating. So from an overall ecosystem, we are saying create your offers, whether you are a direct advertiser or a network advertiser, or you are running an influencer marketing campaign, or you are working through an agency. We can use all that content piece, all your offers, all your discounts, all your coupons, and get them to work with the 2,400 publishers that work with us on our platform, and get them to distribute your offers on various engagement pricing models. So whether it is cost per click, whether it is cost per engagement, whether it is cost per action or acquisition, redemption. And these models can beautifully fit into your marketing mix in terms of if you want to spend 100 rupees, you can get all these ecosystems to run for you at a lower customer acquisition cost. This is how the ecosystem works. Now, the best part is that on both sides of the ecosystem, it's our platform which is sitting. We are the ones who's driving traffic onto the publisher website, ensuring that we are double-clicking or double-clicking on the intent of the user, ensuring that it's not the unintentional clicked user which is kind of taking over and building on clicks which never happened. And this is how we are trying to filter out the entire user, unintentional user going onto the advertiser website, improving on the intent of the buyer, and again, getting you better customers onto your platform. As I said, all this is available to all of you at zero cost. There is nothing that, as a platform owner, you need to pay to us. You get access to new innovative inventories. We can have a conversation around examples, samples, and the way you want to look at it. There are no cutbacks or kickbacks on our platform. It's completely 100% transparent. So you get access to every report, every click that happened on the platform, which kind of helps you reduce your burden in terms of trying to figure out what's working and what's not working for you. Completely transparent in terms of pricing as well. It ensures that you as a user or an advertiser or a publisher, you get the same price parity for driving advertising for a particular advertiser. And that's Indixital for you. I have very less audience, I must say, but if you still have some questions, I'm willing to answer. So thank you very much for today.